birthday, Mama Dolly.
Sa inyo ng Grain Smart, Hanabishi, Birch Tree Fortified, Bingo Plus, Yakult, at ng PLDT Home Fiber Prepaid.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Mama Dolly Cortez. Thank you po ng marami sa suporta niyo po sa aming lahat sa The Clones. And see you soon po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama Dolly! God bless you always po and stay happy and healthy.
Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. Huwag niyo po kami masyado mamiss. Pumapayat na po ako. Susunod na po si Boyang. Ingat po kayo lagi. We miss you. Happy birthday po ulit.
God bless po.
God bless po.
Happy birthday, Ate Daddy.
Oh, Ate Dali? Tita Dali? Happy birthday po. May God continue to bless you. Keep you safe and healthy. God bless po. We miss you, Tita Dali.
Happy 67th birthday, Mommy Dolly! At kung namimiss niyo po ako, panoorin niyo po ako araw-araw sa kada umaga. 10 a.m. to 12 noon sa Net25 or sa Net25 YouTube at Facebook para hindi niyo na ako mamiss. God bless you! Have a nice one!
Tita Dali Cortez, happy 67th birthday. Magkita tayo soon, ha? Tita Dali, enjoy mo yung birthday mo and stay healthy. See you soon.
Hi, Dali Cortez. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Pag-ingat po kayo palagi. Busog ako eh. Kahanda mo. Happy birthday po. God bless po. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mommy Dolly. We miss you here. We are sending you lots of love and lots of hugs from all of us here in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Now we are sending you greetings on your birthday, but we are also celebrating the goodness of the Lord, not only to you, but to your whole family. We became witnesses po of how the Lord has been intervening in your family, especially to the lives of your children, Rap and Jade, and Justin and Mela. So we praise God that we're able to witness that. It's the work of the Lord. Yeah. Mommy, if you look at Kawikaan 31 verse 27 to 28, it says, bagay na bagay sa inyo, masipag siya at inaalagaan niya ang kanyang pamilya, kaya siya ay pinupuri ng kanyang mga anak at asawa. Yeah, and we would like also to thank you that while you are here, you open your heart to visit the church, to join us in worship and in fellowship. Nawa nag-enjoy kayo dito. Kahit maikling sandali lang yon. So, in your years to come, in many more years to come, naway maramdaman nyo po ang kapayapaan, ma-receive nyo po ang kagalakan at lalong-lalo na yung walang hanggang pagmamahal ng Diyos sa inyo po. Yeah. Ingat kayo at malay mo, you will be here very soon. We will do camping again. Malamig na po dito. Happy birthday again!
Hello! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Naway mag-enjoy ka sa iyong kaarawan today. Pasensya na, yan lang ang nakayanan na ibigay para sa iyo. Susunod kami na yung uuwi dyan.
Woo! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Love you! Bye-bye! Happy birthday, my sweet. Hope you get more birthdays. Panapiliin kang Panginoon ng batog, walang karamdaman. meron man, pagaling mo.